All right, welcome to today's free market analysis. I'm Kenny, your host, Senior Research Analyst with theMiniAnalyst.com. Today, again, we're looking at the cash index of the S&P 500. First thing we notice, obviously, right at the key 1540 level. We've mentioned that in the last few uh, free daily market analysis, and of course, we mentioned it many times over in the summer, June, July. This big triple top, the failed breakout attempt, the breakout here, the struggle here, and the ET sell signal right here, leading to the massive sell-off in the bearish exposure on our part on a discretionary basis right here, unofficially, and then bearish officially on the break below, I believe it was 1500. So official switch to bearish there. Come on down. Got the JC lizard tail buy set up right here, and of course at least over 100 points of discretionary profits from low to high, or I should say from high to low on the short side. And of course we went back to bullish, a little choppy right here, and back to bullish where we are today from 1484 in the S&P cash. So that's another 55 points of discretionary gains. Having said that, interesting setup we have here. Here's a nice little cup, hybrid handle set up right here. Of course, we're still bullish and expanding right here, and it looks like we're trying to get the breakthrough to the new highs. But again, we're struggling a little bit here today. We got the move yesterday, and of course, this is a mini support resistance band from 1540 to 1550 in the S&P cash. So of course, we remain bullish here, and do expect, as we mentioned last time in this space, that we'll get a move likely to towards 1600 and 1600, sorry, in the S&P cash index. So there's where we stand. 30% bullish and 20% bullish in the intermediate term, and 50% bullish in the long term. So we're intermediate term bullish in terms of momentum, short term bullish in terms of okay, we're back, got that taken care of. The market moved less than a point, so we're good. So okay, so we're still bullish from a trend following perspective in the short term, intermediate term, and long term. So full throttle bullish bias, in addition to our official bullish biases. I probably shouldn't have my hand in front of the microphone. Not a good idea. Short term bullish from a momentum perspective, and intermediate term bullish as well. So full bullish there. And nice little short-term bullish bias in the directional movement indications. However, we haven't quite gotten full support yet, so we're still I-term neutral, and get a few additional higher closes here, and we'll certainly be fully bullish there as well. Of course, from a price technical perspective, we are above the high of the low day, which was right around here. So, and another acceleration move here today. Again, we do need to get above this horizontal measure of 1540 in the S&P cash index. Having said that, we are bullish. So that's where we stand in terms of the market. Let's look at the trading room, master trading room. Let's see, we had today, I think, just one trade recently, and that's not it. That's not it. So that should bring it up. Okay. So there's the master trading room, and we just had a nice little short indication. You see our master lead indicator right here in yellow was suggesting the market go lower, and of course in terms of price, that's indeed what the market did. Actually got an acceleration move lower, below our key lower band here. As you can see, anytime these both move in unison in a directional move, there's probably going to be some impressive follow through. And we got our buy indication right here. We actually took this buy indication, and of course this was in concert with the early session lows, so we knew there would be some horizontal support there as well. And of course with our master lead indicator suggesting first a buy indication right here, and then a slight acceleration move right here. The price wasn't quite keeping up. We went ahead and jumped in the market. Actually, that may have been confirmation. We were already in the market right here, and got our little pop. Actually, we must have gotten in around. Let's just check this. Actually, shall we? 11:55. And let's see, the 11:50, so that would be Central Time, so 12:55. So right around here. Not sure our times are jiving, but again, it was a very narrow trade. We got some pretty bad fills. Um, um, so we were in at 8:32.20. I wish I could show you this on the chart. Let's see if we can go over here maybe and have a better look. See at the 11:55. Sorry, 12:55. This is certainly a better look. So 11:55 is where we got in to the long side, and we were in at actually bought at this high. Looks like the high of this bar at 32.20, and yeah, so we got a pretty bad fill there, and then we got this. Had to ride it out a little bit. Got a nice little pop there. Went ahead and booked our profits. There was a high of 32.50. But we weren't able to get filled until 32.30 on this quick down move right here. Unfortunately, that cost us our money, our profits. This little indication that these players wanted to fade this move. Having said that, they ate a lot of dust, so they experienced some pain right there, and as did we. They forced us out, and as did we, because we watched our move go on without us. But nevertheless, it happens, and we finished the day, or at least finished the day. It's only 1:30 Eastern Standard Time, so there'll be some more trades there, and up $100 in the master trading room for the disc pad. Wanted to show you the setup right here. Obviously, nice little buy indication, a divergence right here, holding the morning's low, and boom, you get a nice pop of at least 2 points. So nice little indication there of trading in the master trading room. What else do we want to look at? Let's look at, I guess, a couple of our day traders. Oh, did want to tell you about our new Dow. I'm sorry, let's switch over to the fills right there and just show you those. Okay, so 11:55, that's Central Standard Time, sorry, Central Daylight Time right there, and had to hold their position for almost 5 minutes, so we'll take some more trades. Certainly need to improve that performance. And we could go ahead and, I guess, look and see, speaking of the performance, where the master disk pad has been. Go ahead and pull this up. And let's see, this was 10:01, this was yesterday. Finished up $400. And the 28th was Friday. Okay, also $400, 809.90, Friday's close. And the 27th, up $600. So making consistent profits over time. That, of course, is our goal. And what is this week? Probably certainly a part of our map black and any ultimate portfolio, any map portfolio. So again, non-optimized system really performing well. And of course, in concert with these others, and we just have really good days. Of course, the Swinger DT actually again was up, and we'll include that in the link to this video. If I could go over here and look, the Swinger DT is up 98.7% in under 40 days. So that's 29,622.50 in profit through October 1st. Made another $1,825 yesterday in the Swinger DT portfolio. It's a $30,000 aggressive portfolio, and we were running a special on that at quarter end. So I hope you guys were able to get in. I know we had a lot of feedback, so hopefully you guys are getting those accounts set up and going. And let's see if there's anything else we wanted to look at. Did the trading room and a few systems, some forex. Did the market analysis, market biases, of course, fully bullish. So I guess that's about it. If you guys have any questions or any concerns, please feel free to write us at admin@minianalyst.com. And this is Kenny signing off as your host. Hope you guys have a great trading day.